Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am working on a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas here, and I'll just show you the colors, play some music, and then I'll get back to you when I've done showing you the colors. So those were the colors. A little scary for me to use brown, but yeah, I decided that I wanted to try that. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing a tree swipe. I saw Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art do some really awesome tree swipes. Obviously, I've seen many other people do tree swipes, but I never really, they never spoke to me. But the ones that Nate did recently, I really liked them, and I decided that I was gonna give it a go. So that's what I'm doing here. I really like the outcome. As a first try, I think it's great, but yeah, there's some things that could be better, but I really like the outcome, and I'm definitely gonna work more on this, try with some other color palettes. I'm thinking one in violet colors, and I'm also gonna try one in green colors. So don't really want to say much about this. I'll be putting my ratios, mixing ratios in the description, and also put a link for Nate's channel there. If you're not subscribed to him, please go and subscribe to him. But I'll just leave you with some music, and please stay till the end. There will be some shots of the wet results and also some of the dry results. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.
Feeling something special for you, and now you got me thinking till the sun comes up. Daylight and my mind is dreaming, and I'm saying too much couldn't be enough, but I'll be waiting for the moment to take me to you. Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'm just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby. Perfection in the way that you with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby. Oh yeah.